Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new topic. So the name of the topic is Big, Bigger and Biggest. So this big, bigger and biggest we are talking is about the animals. So today we are going to study the big, bigger and biggest animal on the land as well as in the water. So that means in this world. So as we all know about all animals have important roles in the ecosystem. So animals play a very important role in the ecosystem. There is an ecological balance between all animals in nature. So it is said that there is a ecological environment balance between all animals and our nature. The animal world is filled with giant-sized creatures that are extremely big and heavy. So it is said that the animal world it is filled with giant size, that is a biggest or bigger sized creatures. They are very extremely very big and very heavy. So in front of these animals, humans are much smaller than all these animals. So in front of these huge animals, we humans are very much smaller. Also, animals play a very impact on the environment that is much more severe. So animals play a very impact on the environment. And also we can say that these creatures face danger from human activities, okay, as human hunting. So because of such type of activities, these creatures face danger from human activities. Let's start with the first animal, that is the largest animal ever known. So the largest animal ever known, it is the blue whale. The blue whale, it is about 30 meters long and 130 tons in weight. It is bigger than any of the dinosaurs and its tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant. So you can think how huge this blue whale is. Its tongue alone it weighs as much as an elephant and its heart is as big as car. So the size of its heart is as big as car. Females are larger than males. It is said that female whales are larger than male whales. Blue whale calls are the loudest of any animal. So the noise made by the blue whale, it is the loudest of any animal. It calls can be heard for hundreds of kilometers. So the sound made by the blue whale, it can be heard hundreds of kilometers. They have grey-blue skin with light spots, but when they are seen underwater, they look blue. It is found in all the oceans except the Arctic Ocean. So it is not found in Arctic Ocean. All other oceans in our planet, it is found. Blue whales can dive very deep in the ocean. So it can dive. It is in the ocean, it dives very deep inside the ocean. Even though the size of the blue whale is very big, it only eats a type of small shrimp. It is one kind of fish that is called krill. So blue whale, it is the largest animal ever known, which grows up to 30 meters in length. And its heart, it is the size of a small car. So it is the largest ever known animal. Now let's see second one, that is about largest snake. So the largest snake in the world, it is called as green anaconda. Green anacondas grow to lengths of around 20 to 30 feet long. You can see in the video. And they can weigh over 500 pounds. The body scale of the anaconda, the color it is greenish brown with black spots along the top of the body. So you can see because of its size, it makes them the largest snake in the world. So these anacondas, they like to live in watery areas as they are very good swimmers, but they have difficulty moving around on land. So they are very faster in water than on land, and they are habituated to into marshes, swamps and other areas, that is very dirty areas with slow moving water, that is in marshes, in swamps and all. So they are mostly found in tropical rainforest. Anacondas are carnivorous and they eat other animals. They will eat most anything they can catch. So in that includes all the mammals, reptiles, birds and fishes. Even the large anacondas can take down and eat fairly very large animals, that is like deer, wild pigs. So this type of animals also they catch and eat. So once this animal is dead, they swallow it wholly. So they don't bite it, they swallow it. They hunt at night, swimming in the water with their eyes and nasal opening just above the water. So they hunt during the night, that is above the water, and remaining the rest of their body remains hidden under the water. So only their head will be seen above the water and remaining body will be under the water, as their eyes and nose is on the top of their head. That's why it makes easy for them to hunt. So the green anaconda, it is the largest snake and it lives mostly in water than in land. It is more faster in water than on land. It is also said that the main danger to anaconda comes from the humans. So as humans hunt this snake. So the green anaconda, it is the largest snake in the world. Now let's see the largest bony fish. So the largest bony fish is called as the ocean sunfish, or it is called as mola. So the another name given to this ocean sunfish, it is called as mola. It is a large ocean fish found in warm and temperate oceans. So it is found inside the ocean where there is warm and temperate ocean. It has an almost circular flattened body. You can see from the video that it has a circular and flattened body. This unusual fish, it swims by flapping its long tail and fins. So it swims by flapping its long tail and fins. The main food of this fish, it is starfish, jellyfish, algae, squid and small fishes. So they eat starfish, jellyfish, sponges, algae, squid and small fishes. This giant sunfish, it can grow to weigh as much as like 1000 kilograms, more than 1000 kilograms. That is about a small pickup truck. This huge fish may reach a length of 4 meters from face to tail and 3 meters measured from back to stomach. Fish favorite food is jellyfish, and they have a small mouth that looks somewhat like a bird's beak. So it has a small mouth which looks like a bird's beak. So the ocean sun, they are not a very dangerous fish. It is not a very dangerous fish. So the largest bony fish, it is called as the ocean sunfish. Now let's see the largest bird on land. So the largest bird on land, it is ostrich. So ostrich, it is from Africa. It is found in African open woodland. The ostrich, it is the world's largest bird. It stands up to a 2.7 meter tall and it weighs as much as 159 kilogram. Ostrich bird, it has a long bare neck with long sturdy legs and a bulky body covered with feathers. The males and females have different color. Males color, it is a sport black with a white tail, and females are mostly brown. The ostrich, it does not fly. Ostriches are mainly vegetarian, eating roots, leaves, flowers and seeds, but they will also eat insects, lizards and other small creatures too. Ostriches mostly live in groups, that is called as herds. The ostrich has the largest eye of any land mammal. So their eyes, they are 2 inches across. Ostriches have very small brain, and ostriches, they do not bury their heads in the sand. They do not put their head down on the sand. Ostriches have powerful legs and clawed toes. It is said that one strong kick can kill a lion. So, ostrich, it is the fastest bird on land and the fastest animal with 2 legs. Now let's see the largest primate, that is Grorer's gorilla. The Grorer's gorilla, it lives in Central Africa, that is in the mountainous forest of the Congo. So gorillas live in a range of habitats from swamps to forests, that is they live in lowland gorillas which live in bamboo forest, swamps and lowland forest. Gorillas are mostly herbivorous, which they eat plants, leaves, stems, fruit and bamboo. Gorillas are the largest species of primates. The males are often twice as big as females. So the males grow up to 5.5 feet tall and it weighs 400 pounds, and female grow 4.5 feet which weighs around 200 pounds. They are mostly covered with brown hairs and gorillas from different areas may have different colored hair. Gorillas are now a very endangered animal because their species are getting more decreased. Gorillas, they live in a small groups called troops or bands. Gorillas live around 35 years. They can live longer, up to 50 years. And they sleep at night in nest. Gorillas are generally calm and they are very passive animal. They are very highly intelligent and have now been observed using tools in the wild. And they have their own sign language to communicate with humans. Now let's see the largest land animal. So the largest land animal, that is the African bush elephant. So the African bush elephant, it is found 37 African countries and it inhabits forests, grasslands, woodlands, wetlands and in agricultural lands. So the African bush elephant, it is the largest of all living creatures on the land today, weighing about 10,000 kg, that is it weighs over 10,000 kilogram, and it has a molars, that is its teeth molars, it weigh about 5 kg. The body of the African bush elephants, it can also grow to between 6 and 7 meters long. The most characteristic features of African elephants are their very large ears which they use to radiate excess heat, that is its large ears help it to stay cool in the hot African wilderness, that is in hot African regions. The trunk of this elephant, it is used for communication and handling objects and food. It is a herbivorous animal which feed on grasses, creepers, herbs, leaves and bark. So it eats leaves and bark of the trees. It is also said that because of its size, it has no natural predators, because as it is a big sized one, it does not have any predators, but its young ones are attacked by lions and crocodiles. So the largest land animal, it is the African bush elephant, which weighs over 10,000 kg and it is found in African regions. You have understood the largest land living animals, water animal and bird. Now we'll see the exercise part. So in the exercise part, we have to match the image of these very large animals with their names. So they have given in the box names and image of the animal. So we have to match the correct one. So see the first one. The first image, it is a the name of this animal, it is a southern elephant seal. So you can write first one C, that is southern elephant seal. See the second one, it is a very familiar picture, that is giraffe. So this animal, it is called as giraffe. So second one you can write E. See the third one, that is a crocodile. So it is called as saltwater crocodile. So third one you can write F, that is saltwater crocodile. See the fourth one, a huge animal, so it is called as hippopotamus. So you can write fourth one A, that is hippopotamus. See the fifth one, it is a gaur. It is called as gaur. That is, it is called as Indian bison, which looks similar to a buffalo. So you can write fifth one B. Now see the sixth one, that is last one. It looks like a bear, so it is a called as Kodiak bear. So you can write sixth one D. Now let's see the next part. Now see the next part. In the next part we have to match these large animals with their names. So they have given image in the same way, the image of the large animals, and given the name, that is first one giant panda, colossal squid, great white shark, Goliath beetle, orca, orangutan, giant freshwater stingray, and white rhinoceros. So what you have to do? You have to do this as your homework, because this is the easy picture and you can match this. Okay children, I think so you have understood largest animals. So you can do this as your homework. So do well and thank you.